Hey, and I am back with another video. This is a mini video, a little mini Christmas, try on video. My name is Tamara. So anyway, let's get into it. I wanted to show off these little Grinch shorts and what all you can pair it up with, okay? And I hope y'all can see me good. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But yeah, so I wanted to show off these Grinch shorts, and I paired it up with the red crop shirt from the Drop Seat two-piece set and the green and white stripe thigh-high sock, okay? So I'm gonna turn to the side just a little bit right there. Yeah, I know. YouTube friendly. And these shorts right here, it says naughty, nice, or I tried with I tried check off on there. And yeah, they super cute, super stretchy. I'm wearing a size small. I forgot to mention that on Instagram because I didn't have no time. But yeah, y'all like. So, alright, I'm about to put on some onesies that you can pair these up good with, okay? I will be right back. Alright, y'all. So, here's a Drop Seat two-piece set again. And here's how it looks with the Grinch shorts. Because they got the butt flap on there. So, it gives like a little peekaboo effect. Yeah, super cute how you can put that together. Yeah, and it's giving like a whole new look to this Drop Seat two-piece set. Yeah, see, I be thinking outside the box with this. I really do. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get into the last onesie that this will go good with. I can't wait. All right, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this mini video, because y'all ain't been really showing love lately. But it's all good because one monkey don't stop no show over here, okay? It doesn't matter at all. No hard feelings. All right, next. All right, y'all. It's me trying to cover up this red shirt underneath. Because I got more content to do, y'all. So I'm like, I ain't taking off this shirt. But anyway, I brought back the green solid mint onesie. And I paired it up with the Grinch shorts. That's how it looks. Like, it makes the onesie stand out and pop so much more. Yeah. And I got on the green thigh-high socks with it as well. You can get this full look on Instagram. Make sure y'all follow the Instagram. But yeah, look. It looks so good now. Give it more a little Christmassy. When you got that butt flap right there. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. That is it for this mini video. I hope y'all enjoyed this mini video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification so you know exactly when I post a new video, y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this real quick. I ain't want to hold y'all up or nothing like that. So yeah, if you made it all the way towards the end of this video, which I know you most likely did, leave a purple heart. And I'll see y'all in the next one, whenever that will be. Okay. All right, see y'all. Bye bye.